Hello again, welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. So, probably for those of you who looked at the other videos and you weren't able to see some of the basics of learning to play soca, let me just run through it with you quickly. So you start with the bass drum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, higher. Right? So that's for those of you who wanted to see it from actually scratch and gradually going up. All right? So thank you so much for watching. All right? Appreciate your comments. Appreciate you subscribing and also liking. And of course, share this video with as much drummers, those who are beginners, as much as possible. Thank you so much.